Hey guys, for today we'll be heading to Cop Garden to consign some of the pairs that I have that are just sitting at home. And yeah, we actually just finished camping out for Bianca's
may halo-halo bag.
Halo-halo bag or whatever. And pakita mo nga.
Ang galing niya, grabe.
Raffle din ginawa, guys. So,
sobrang sold out agad.
syempre sanay na tayo sa mga raffle ganyan. So, nakakuha tayo before she even arrived. And yeah, later on then, game 2 namin sa El Sal, so basketball again. Pakita rin namin some of the highlights kung meron man. And yeah, later on, may unbox tayong pair of sneakers that are very, very fire in my opinion. It's from Nike. It's a customized sneaker, Nike by You. And I'm excited to share it with you guys. So, ayun guys, before we get started with today's vlog nga, again, we have a surprise for Bianca right here.
What?
Unbox mo.
Again? Akala ko I don't have any more surprise. Yes.
Sige. Wala mo ko na yan.
What's this? Is this your your surprise to me? Sinasabi ko ng Valentine's.
Buksan mo ka.
Oh, it's a J-Con merch. What? It's a J-Con merch? Is it a hood?
So, ito, nakuha ko to nung Valentine's, if I'm not mistaken. Naglabas si Jess Connelly ng merch niya.
I didn't even realize.
And yeah, it arrived yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. And yeah, super big fan si Bianca ni J-Con. So, I decided to get her this hoodie. Ayan, so,
thank you. That was super unexpected.
So, ayun guys. Tapos na natin surprise si Bianca. Let's head over to Cop Garden. Peace. Okay, so for today we'll be consigning some of the pairs like the Cactus Jack Air Force Ones, size 9. We have Bianca's size as well, size 5.5. And some satin Jordan 1s as well. Tagal na kasi nito sa nakastock sa akin eh. Ito, we have the Yeezy 380 Aliens and some women's Jordan 1s. And yeah, we'll be heading to Cop Garden. Let's go. We just dropped off the pairs and ubos na guys. And yeah, we're on the way to DLSU kasi naglalaro na kami ng basketball. Hey guys, so we just got to school. We're with Bianca, my cheerleader. And we're watching the game before us. Ayan. Sobrang dikit ng laban. And sneaker choice for today's game, we have the Concords Jordan 11. Let's get it. So I decided to remove my shoes and hey guys, for today we'll be doing an unboxing of a very special pair of sneakers. So this pair is customized by myself through Nike by You, which is a feature offered on Nike's website wherein you can customize different kinds of sneakers. They have Nike basketball sneakers, they have Nike lifestyle sneakers, and ayun guys, this just came in the mail. This is a pair of Nike Air Force Ones that was offered for just a short time on Nike ID, on Nike by You. And ayun, I quickly jumped into it and designed my pair kasi nga, quick storytelling with you guys. I used to enjoy coloring a lot of sneakers before nung bata ako. Like, kunwari pag bored ako sa school, I'll just bring out my phone and color some of the pairs like yung mga Kobe 8, Kobe 9 if I'm not mistaken. Ayun, magko-color lang ako ng like kunwari sa intrams namin for school, magko-color ako ng kung ano colored ng jersey namin kasi ang saya. Pero unfortunately, I wasn't able to afford expensive sneakers back then kasi Nike ID is usually more expensive ng konti kasi nga, syempre, different colors, different materials yung ginagamit nila as compared dun sa mga GR pairs. And yeah, I'm really excited to share this with you guys kung anong design yung ginawa ko. Actually, last year, I was able to secure a pair of custom Nike Air Forces din. Ayan, Nike by You box. And if you guys can see the size tag right there, super, ano siya, super attention to detail. Ayan, nakasulat Nike by Gio. But, unfortunately, you weren't really given the chance to edit parts of this sneaker kasi, ito siya guys. If you guys remember from one of my Air Force One vlogs, top 5 Air Force Ones of 2019, pinakita ko to. This is called the Cactus Plant Flea Market Air Force Ones. And yung Nike by You feature niya was like changing lang the tongue material. Ito leather yung sa akin. And changing the colors of the outline netong flea. And the other pair, which is in my room, nakasulat Air. So, ayun guys, basically yung pwede mo lang i-customize was yung colors. And I see DJ Big Boy Cheng collecting a lot of this particular pair. Kasi nga, super limited rin pala na ito. I didn't even know. Pero, ang ganda kasi, ganda lang nung white and red. So, I quickly added it to cart and I was able to successfully check out. So, ayun, swerte. And this pair goes for around 30 to 40,000 if I'm not mistaken. So, ayun, sobrang mahal pero, wala. Personal pair natin to kasi ang cool ng mga details sa box. Ayun, Nike by Gio. I won't sell this. And, ayun. So, I'm excited to share this with you guys. Let's see kung ano yung nauna. I actually ordered like 3 pairs, pero ito pa lang yung unang dumating. So, I'm excited to share it with you guys. Unbox na natin. And if you pop the box open right there, it has the same box as yung Cactus Plant Flea Market. And this mommy, let's go. And guys, if we check the box right there, it also says the words Nike by You, same as the previous box I showed you guys. But yung nasa size tag neto, wala na yung name mo. So it just says Nike by You, wala rin yung size tag. And without further ado, let's pop the box open. And if we pop the box open, ayan yung paper, Nike by You rin, nakasulat. Bam bam, here's the pair. So, bam bam, here's the pair guys. So, first impression, what pair does this remind you of? I'm pretty sure some of you guys will automatically see kung anong pair yung pinag-patternan ko neto. So, comment down below what you guys think. And without further ado, this pair is patterned after the Nike SB Supreme collab that released back in 2002 if I'm not mistaken. And sobrang mahal na nun guys. I don't want to spend a lot for it kasi lalo na ngayon. You guys know na Nike SBs, Nike Dunks are popping. So, sobrang taas ng mga prices. So, around, if I'm not mistaken, around 50,000 yung mga DS pairs, if not more. And nung nakita ko yung feature neto sa Nike by You, nung nilabas, the snakeskin pattern right here actually reminds me of the elephant print na meron nung Nike Dunks. And, ayun guys, pinattern ko every single detail about it, and even the black outsole right there. And ayun guys, first impression about the pair, ang ganda ng leather, ang ganda ng attention to detail. Even the Nike Air tag right here has the snakeskin pattern. I also put the black laces, even the black I don't know what you call this thing, pero ayan, black rin para subtle lang yung details about the pair. The back tab right there, red din, katulad nung sa Nike Dunks na Supreme. And yeah, that's basically it guys. Ito, unboxing na shinare ko lang with you guys. I can't wait to show you guys some of the pairs that are incoming. I don't know why it's delayed, pero I really can't wait to share this with you guys. So, in-unbox ko na siya kahit wala pa yung iba. And yeah, what do you guys think about the pair? Do you guys like it? Do you guys like the feature of Nike by You actually available here in the Philippines? You can design like, if not mistaken, ngayon yung mga Kyrie 6, ang ganda. Pwede nyo gawing Yeezy colorways and all that. And yeah, super fun feature, Nike by You, here on Nike's website. So there you guys have it. What do you guys think about the pair? Let me know down below in the comments. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like. And yeah, see you guys on the next one. Peace.
We wanna ball and get loose. It's something that she like to do.